Hi friends, what's up? This is K from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to set a ringtone for a specific contact on iPhone. On iPhone, Apple allows you to set custom ringtones for specific contacts. So if you assign one to a person you know, you'll be able to identify them straight away the next time they call you. Setting a special ringtone for someone in your contacts app enables you to recognize when that particular person is calling you without you even having to look at your iPhone screen. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. After that, select a contact from the list. Then tap on the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on the ringtone field. Next up, you have to choose one of the sounds that you want to use from the ringtones list. Then tap on the Done button in the top right corner of the screen. And finally, make sure to tap on the Done button at the top right to confirm the action, and that's all there is to it. The next time that person calls you, your iPhone will sound the special ringtone that you chose, and hence you will easily recognize who is calling you. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.